Good morning, everyone. And welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. I'm starting the vlog. We are at the airport. It is 5:30 a.m. and my boyfriend still doesn't know where we're going for a little weekend getaway. He did make some guesses and one of them was right. And I'm the worst liar. So he's gonna now know. La Sicily. Now he knows. We're going to Sicily, which I'm so excited about. It's gonna be his first time and my second time. I'm currently getting ready for our first night here. Wearing this Zara dress that I got maybe 7 or 8 years ago, but it's still a staple. And I'm using my little glue that I showed you guys last time to lock in the top. Let me check. There we go. Like that, it stays in place. Let's go.
Thought of a shattered, play with your roles and leave it to circle.
It is our very first night in Noto and I just love this place so much. I think it's so beautiful. It's a must if you come to Sicily. And the city was actually destroyed by an earthquake in 1693 and then rebuilt. And it's just, the colors of the city are like golden, the buildings are beautiful, the architecture. So we just love walking around, and now we're gonna go for a drink. We are having a drink at this rooftop.
Tudo que restou.
So we had a drink on that gorgeous rooftop. You can actually make a reservation if you want to. We didn't have one. We were lucky. We got a spot. And now we are waiting for a table at the restaurant where we booked only at 9. It's currently 8. So we need to walk around, which is fine because the city is beautiful. And earlier I had a group of ladies, like, I don't know, they were 6 sitting at a cafe, and they literally screamed, "You're gorgeous!" And I became so shy. I was like all red, and I thought, what a girl's girl to do that. And it was just the sweetest. It gave me a boost of confidence. But I do have to say that I love what I'm wearing, which really helps. We all know when you love your outfit, you're feeling good.
By a big house where we both could live.
We are ending the night with a little ice cream, a little gelato. I took noisette, hazelnut, and yogurt, and it is really good. Not the best ice cream I ever had, but it does the trick for the dessert. And now we're just gonna walk back to our hotel. That's what's really nice with the place where we're staying, is that it's really central, so we get to just walk everywhere. The hotel is not the most beautiful room, but it does the work. For one night, it just works. But they do have a terrace that is absolutely stunning, and we're going there for breakfast tomorrow morning, so I'll be able to show it to you. Rise and shine, everyone. It is a beautiful day. We woke up, got ready, and now we're having coffee at our hotel, and I just want to show you the terrace because it is beautiful. Look at this. This is our view. So this right here was the entrance of our hotel, and then there's this fashion concept store which I've already gone to, which only sells luxury, but it is beautiful inside, so you must check it out if you come here. Even if you don't want to buy anything or you're not into fashion or shopping, the space is just so beautiful, and even the selection is really well curated. We are going back to the spot where we had ice cream yesterday, the spot that we didn't really love, but it's so well known that we think it might be for their cakes. We're gonna give it another try and eat a cake. Grazie. Bon. Et je peux goûter le tien?
Oui, on va pas faire le mien.
Mine is meilleur. We really felt Italian at that little coffee spot, and now we are going to go visit the famous cathedral. We didn't go last night because I was not really dressed appropriately. I am wearing my Audrey Hepburn inspired outfit today with my new capri pants. As you can see, isn't it so cute? Are arriving to our last stop of the road trip, which is Taormina. I'm so excited. I love this little town and I can't wait to show it to you again, even though I did do a vlog, which is my most seen vlog on the channel, which is one from the early days where we did a family trip to Sicily, and I think that vlog has like 400,000 views, which is insane. Happy to go back. So just to explain the road trip, we arrived in Catane, which is where the airport is, and then as we were going to Noto, we actually made a stop yesterday. I didn't film it for the vlog, but we were in Syracuse, which I definitely recommend because it is a really beautiful town, super charming, and honestly you can just spend a few hours there. And then we arrived a little bit later in Noto, which also you don't need to spend too much time because the town is so small. So I think the best way to do Sicily is the way I did it the first time, just a road trip, and then you go to different towns. Rise and shine, everyone. I didn't vlog last night. I promise today I'm gonna vlog and it's gonna be a fabulous day. We have a great booking tonight for the restaurant. We're starting our morning with a little coffee in the town and then we will go to the beach. This is my outfit of the morning and I think the sunglasses fit the vibe perfectly. So let's go for a little cornetto. We are gonna go get our little coffee right here. We're late on schedule because we forgot sunscreen and all of the pharmacies are closed on Sunday, so we couldn't find sunscreen and we just couldn't go to the beach without it. But I had a aha moment and I realized markets, like supermarkets, have sunscreen. So we found that and now we can go to the beach.
To get to Sicily from New Zealand.
Funny way to go to the beach, right? But it's super convenient. It only takes 3 minutes. The only thing is that when it's time to go back at night, it gets really full. So there is a little bit of a queue, but it's really nice. I have reached flow state. I am in Italy with my boyfriend on a stunning beach. I had ice cream last night, living life. I'm really happy to be here. We are on a beach called Isola Bella, which is really beautiful. The water is really blue. It is stone beach, which is not the best for the feet. But we booked some sunbeds because we want to stay here all day and we just couldn't do it without an umbrella. So that's what we're doing. There's a beautiful stone house right in front of me that I'm going to show you after. So pretty. So postcard Italy vibes in front of me. And also, I wanted to tell you guys, what are the chances that I am in Sicily at the exact same time that Dua Lipa is celebrating her wedding here in Sicily? Like, crazy, right? I told Karen, yeah, because she invited me to her wedding. I do have to say, I wasn't a huge fan of her townhouse. I don't know if you call it like that, townhouse wedding. Like in French, we say mariage civil, the one she did in London. I'm not a huge fan of this Caporale outfit. However, the custom-made Bottega Veneta dress that she wore in Sicily, in Palermo, stunning. I love it. She's like the ultimate cool girl. The water is so cold that I think last time I went in a water this cold was when I did the ice bath. So, wish me luck. Lunch is served. We are sharing a Isola Bella pizza and I took a side of burrata with tomatoes. Once I'm back in Paris, I really want to go to this exhibition of Gianni Versace, and it's until the 6th of September. And I also want to do this one right here of the brand Pomelato, which is a jewelry brand. And I think they could have really beautiful images. I've done this one. I definitely recommend, if you haven't done it, the Matisse at Grand Palais is beautiful. And I kind of want to buy this book. It's called American Style by Ralph Lauren. Looks like they have really amazing classic pieces. End of the day for the beach. I did change because I'm extra like that. And we're now gonna take our little transportation back into the little town. I want to try the ice cream from Pasticceria d'Amore. Apparently it's a really good one from this spot. Let's see. So we bought the ice cream. The flavor that I took was not great. It was called Fiore di Panna, which I usually really love. My boyfriend took pistachio and it's delicious, but we're currently sharing because it fell on the floor. I am ready for the evening. It is our last night here, so I thought, you know, this dress was perfect. It is the Ratenboa brown dress that I showed in the previous vlog. I'm gonna wear it with these aquazzurra. I added this necklace, which my mom gave me, and I thought it was very Italian vibes. Tonight, we are going, in my opinion, in the best restaurant there is in Taormina. So I booked it a week ago, and I'm so happy I did because Taormina is already full. So I'm not sure we would have had a table if it was last minute. So yeah, let's go. We're gonna first walk in the town and then have a little drink and then dinner. To let you know, I forgot a hairbrush, so I had to get ready just with this, which thank God I had a comb. But yeah, anyway, the hair is slicked back because there was no blow dryer here, so I washed it last night and then it looked insane. And also this magic product literally glued the dress to me and it's not moving. We are walking in the center of the town and it's very busy. And now it's time to go for our little drink. One from Sicily with ricotta inside. We are walking back to our Airbnb. We had such a fabulous night tonight. The food was delicious, the whole experience, the view. Definitely worth it. We are on our way to the airport, but we had to put gas, and I just bought my favorite ice cream that I only find in Italy, which is like a kid's ice cream.